Okay, scientists, are you ready? We are going to be using some white carnations, some food coloring, and some water to do an experiment about how leaves drink, how plants drink. So I have here from my science kit some test tubes. I'm going to take the tops off. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And inside of the test tubes, I'm going to pour some water. And I'm going to leave room at the top because I'm going to also put in another liquid, which you'll see in a minute. So I'm carefully pouring it in. And now next, I'm going to choose the 4 colors to be able to use inside the, whoops, I'm going to put some drops in. This is like a very bright pink. This is like a chartreuse greeny yellow. This is a blue. Remember guys, this stuff stains, so don't get it on your clothes, okay? I'm trying very hard to be neat about it. I think this is an orangey color. It's a little dark in here, so I can't tell. Or red, I guess. I'm surprised my husband isn't making fun of me because I'm really bad with color identification. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this so I have a fresh cut. The reason for that is so that the stem is able to take in the water. So right now what I'm doing is I'm putting 1 flower in each of the test tubes. That's called 1-to-1 correspondence. Every flower gets its own test tube. Okay. God bless you. So now with this last one, I think I'm going to try something a little different. I use scissors to cut the stems, but I'm going to use a knife. Children don't use knives like this, right? Who uses the knife like this? The grown-ups do. So I'm going to try to do something here. I'm hoping I don't ruin it. Let's see. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't work. But you know, as a scientist, you gotta try. So what I'm doing is I'm making 2 halves. One to go on one side and one to go on the other side. Can you guess why I might be doing that? Try to figure it out. So now I have to wait a long time, at least a day, to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to leave these all by themselves and we will observe them later. So remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to see what happens. Maybe you could take a guess as to what's going to happen. Can you tell a grown-up a guess that you have? Do you think the plants will die because I cut them with a scissor? Do you think that they're just going to look beautiful and white? Do you think that they're going to change it all? What do you think might happen? We don't know yet. We're doing the experiment. We're asking the question, what will happen? And then after a few hours, or maybe overnight tomorrow, we will know. We will have the answer. Everybody have a great day. Remember, if you want to do this, you need water, food coloring, white carnations, I tried to find the celery with leaves on top. It seems these days they cut the leaves off the celery. I couldn't find any with the leaves on top, so I decided to do the flowers. Plus, I love flowers. Aren't they so pretty? All right, everybody. Science keeps that mind going and learning, right? Keep on learning. Have a great day.